Are you facing legal trouble or just want to be prepared? Choosing the right lawyer can make or break your case. But how do you know who to trust? Many people make costly mistakes by hiring the wrong attorney. What qualities separate a good lawyer from the rest? Today, we reveal the 7 must-know traits every top lawyer has: experience, honesty, reputation, and more. Don't risk your future with just anyone. Watch closely, or you could miss the key to winning your freedom and peace of mind. Experience. When choosing a good lawyer, experience is one of the most important qualities to look for. A lawyer who has handled cases similar to yours will understand the legal system better and know what strategies work best. Frank C. Walker. Julio explains that public defenders are highly skilled because they handle many cases daily, but they often have a large number of clients and limited time for each case. On the other hand, private attorneys usually devote more time and resources to build a strong defense. They can investigate your case thoroughly, review evidence, and prepare motions to protect your rights. Experience also means the lawyer knows the local judges, prosecutors, and courtroom procedures, which can be very helpful in negotiating better outcomes. Frank Walker highlights that seasoned lawyers have a reputation that helps them advocate more effectively for their clients. So, when you're looking for a lawyer, make sure they have the right experience with your type of case, not just general legal knowledge. This will increase your chances of a favorable result. Communication is a key quality to look for in a good lawyer. According to Frank C. Walker, a lawyer should talk about your case, not just about themselves. When you meet or speak with a lawyer, they should listen carefully and explain things clearly in simple language, so you understand every step of the process. Many people feel lost and anxious during legal troubles, so a good lawyer helps by keeping you informed and answering your questions honestly. Frank also warns against lawyers who only give you good news or make promises they can't keep. A trustworthy lawyer tells you the realistic outcomes, including the possible challenges and risks. They should be available when you need them and return your calls promptly, even during evenings or weekends. This builds trust and gives you confidence that your case is in good hands. Good communication means the lawyer will keep you updated about court dates, evidence, and negotiations. It also means they explain the legal terms and what you can expect in plain English. When your lawyer communicates well, you feel more prepared and less stressed during the legal process. So always choose a lawyer who listens well and speaks clearly about your case. Reputation is a powerful quality to consider when choosing a lawyer. Frank C. Walker series stresses that a lawyer's good reputation helps build trust and respect in the courtroom. Experienced lawyers who work hard and treat others with respect, judges, prosecutors, and even police, gain credibility that benefits their clients. This respect often leads to better negotiations and more favorable outcomes. Clients should research what others say about the lawyer, including reviews, testimonials, and case results. A lawyer's reputation is built over time through both victories and defeats, showing they have real experience handling cases. Avoid lawyers who only talk about themselves or promise guaranteed results. Instead, look for one who is honest about your case's challenges and willing to fight for you. A strong reputation means the lawyer is known as prepared, knowledgeable, and respectful, which makes prosecutors more willing to listen and judges more open to fair decisions. So, reputation is not just about popularity but about proven professionalism that helps you win your case. Honesty is one of the most important qualities you should look for in a good lawyer. Frank C. Walker emphasizes that a lawyer must be truthful about your case and its possible outcomes. Many people want to hear only good news, but an honest lawyer will tell you the reality, even if it is difficult to accept. They will explain both the best case and worst case scenarios so you can make informed decisions. A dishonest lawyer may make unrealistic promises or hide important facts to keep you hopeful. This can lead to disappointment or worse consequences later. Frank warns against lawyers who only tell you what you want to hear, because legal cases are complex and uncertain. You need a lawyer who gives you a clear picture from the start, helping you prepare for whatever happens. Honesty also means your lawyer will not pressure you to take a plea or action that is not in your best interest. They will guide you ethically and professionally. Being honest builds trust between you and your lawyer, which is essential during stressful legal battles. So, always choose a lawyer who is straightforward and transparent with you from day one. Availability is a crucial quality in a good lawyer. Frank C. Walker explains that when you hire a private attorney, you should be able to reach them easily, even during evenings or weekends. This means your lawyer is ready to answer your questions, provide updates, and give you guidance whenever you need it. Good availability builds trust and helps reduce your anxiety during a difficult legal process. Many public defenders handle a large number of cases and may not have time to respond promptly or meet with you regularly. A private lawyer who is available shows they care about your case and are committed to supporting you fully. Your lawyer should return calls quickly and make time to explain important details about your case. When you feel your lawyer is available, you can communicate openly and work together better to prepare a strong defense. So, make sure the lawyer you choose is someone you can reach and who will be there for you throughout your case. Specialization is an essential quality to look for when choosing a good lawyer. Frank C. Walker, too, points out that lawyers have different areas of expertise. For example, a lawyer who handles mostly DUI cases might not be the best choice for a homicide or sex offense case. It's important to find a lawyer experienced in the specific type of case you have. Choosing a lawyer with the right specialization means they understand the laws, procedures, and defenses that apply to your situation. They know how to build a strong case and what strategies work best. This can make a big difference in the outcome of your case. Frank advises not to rely only on what a lawyer says about themselves, but also to check their background and past case results. A specialized lawyer is more likely to be familiar with the local courts, judges, and prosecutors related to your charge. So, always look for a lawyer who focuses on your type of case to get the best possible defense. Dedication is a vital quality of a good lawyer. Frank C. Walker, too, explains that a dedicated lawyer will be fully committed to your case from start to finish. They will spend the necessary time and effort to prepare your defense, investigate the facts, and fight for the best outcome possible. Dedication means the lawyer will not pass your case off to someone else, but will personally handle important details and court appearances. A dedicated lawyer listens carefully to you, understands your needs, and keeps you informed throughout the process. They stay focused on protecting your rights and freedoms, no matter how difficult the case is. Frank warns that self-representation or choosing a lawyer who isn't dedicated can lead to poor results or missed opportunities. When a lawyer is dedicated, they also advise you on actions you can take to help your case, like community service or rehab programs. This teamwork can positively influence the judge and prosecutor. So, choose a lawyer who shows true dedication, because your future depends on their commitment and hard work. Thanks for watching! If you want the best chance at winning your case, knowing what to look for in a lawyer is crucial. Which quality do you think matters most? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more essential legal tips. And don't miss our next video. How does an attorney's reputation affect your case? Stay informed and protect your future with us!